time, because a video or a video that will help you in your development. If you're serious, then you have to do something about your development. Otherwise, it's just a lip service. Sana meron ka talagang konkretong hakbang na ginagawa. Sabi ni John Maxwell, winners add value to themselves. Are you adding value to yourself? Sana nag-i-invest ka talaga sa iyong development. Okay. And the winners can act positively even in the midst of difficult situations. I will skip the point na nire-ready ko in the interest of time, but I will show my last video. Isang tao na in spite all odds, ay na-manage pa rin to conquer an enemy called average. Isa siyang timpya-tingin, pero gusto niya sumali sa isang violin contest, pero may tumitira sa kanya. Paano niya nalagpasan ang mga trials nito? Panoorin natin. Nalagpasan ko rin po rin. So, what's the story? Use panty shampoo. Okay, so remember Mount Hikari, the first one to climb to the top of Mount Everest. They said, it's not the mountains that we conquer, but ourselves. And I say, let's conquer an enemy goal. Okay. So along that line, let me break down the curtain and say thank you. You're the best audience I have today. Before I let you go, papakita ko lang ito isang kanta. Love you more today than yesterday. Sana you're still in love with your profession. As the relationship is getting better, better today than yesterday. Diba? I love you more today than yesterday.